Making money online, the easy way. In life, oftentimes, there's a hard way to do something, and then there's the easy way. Oftentimes, there's a trade-off with doing something the easy way. With things like finances and entrepreneurship, side hustles and things like that, doing something the easy way oftentimes means doing something that's not gonna pay off a ton. In this video, I'm gonna talk about making money online the easy and less lucrative way. You're watching Finance Squared, and I'm your illustrious host, Derek West. Let's get into making money online the easy way. A lot of people appreciate a little bit more cash in their lives, mostly as a way to increase the top line of their personal finances so that they have a bit more room to do the things that they love or even to save more money. Because if you are making more money, then it is that much easier to save more money. Assuming you have the discipline to save that extra money that is coming in, that is. Unfortunately, a lot of people do not have that discipline. As soon as they get more money, they spend more money on things they don't need. But that is a topic for a separate video. Like and subscribe. Well, luckily for us, we live in an era where making money online, and I'm going to include using apps, is easier than ever for all of us. Especially in this time of social distancing, making money using the tools that you have in your hand right now are more important than ever. Making money online, the easy way, is oftentimes not going to be the most lucrative. The tactics that I'm about to talk about were chosen as a way to get started making money online without much hassle. No endless hours slaving in front of a camera and editing software just for the hope that you get views. Nope, this is about doing something and for sure getting back a return. Now remember, because it is easy, anybody can do it. And because anybody can do it, the amount of money you're gonna make is oftentimes not a ton. In fact, a lot of the ways of making money online involve saving money and getting coupons for things or other such tactics. So just keep that in mind. Making money the easy way is also the less lucrative way. If you want a video on making money the hard way, where you will have to put in more work, but at the same time get a larger reward, I have a video on that either out right now or it'll be out very soon. Either way, look in the description down below and be sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're aware of when it drops and when more great videos just like it come out. So before we dive into the apps and tools to make money online the easy way, I just wanted to put a word of caution out there for you if you decide to take action and use any of these apps, or any app in general. You want to be very careful of any app you put on your phone or site you visit on your computer or software program you install on your computer. Oftentimes, these can be vectors for the criminally inclined to steal your information. The apps and sites that I have listed here are generally very reputable, but if you do even more research and find other apps and sites to make money online the easy way, then just be careful about putting them on your phone or on your computer or visiting their site. These apps and programs can run in the background of your phone or computer, collecting information from other apps on your phone or software on your computer. This can include such things such as your banking apps, whenever you're using your credit or debit cards, things like that. So just be very careful and be very aware about the security of the device that we all rely on to watch great videos every day. So the apps, let's talk about Fope. The Fope mobile app is an excellent way to make money by selling your photos and videos. If you're tired of just posting your pictures to Instagram and Snapchat and not getting a dime from your followers and barely even a like, well, if that is the case, Fope may be what the doctor ordered. Simply create a profile and start uploading your content to the app. When a person, brand, or agency buys a photo, you'll split the profits with Fope. Some photos sell for $5, while others sell in the range of $60 to $100. You'll need to have an active PayPal account to get paid for your work sold on Fope. The good news is Fope is easy for anyone to use. You can upload photos that you've already taken or take new ones for higher paying missions. More than 2.9 million creators are active on the Fope platform. Big banks like Bank of America, MasterCard, and We Are Social use use Fope to buy content. So stop just posting your stuff for free on the gram. Get some cash to post your photos and videos. Use Fope. Google online rewards. Now, like a lot of folks, you may be concerned that nobody cares what you think. Well, I'm here to tell you that's not true. And I can prove it. Drop a comment down below and I'll care what you think. And also Google will care what you think. In fact, they want to pay you for your opinion using their surveys. There is no pure way to measure if someone cares or not than for them to actually get paid for their opinion. If you download Google Opinion Rewards, you can get started. The concept is very straightforward. Complete a short survey on a wide range of potential topics. It could be a hotel review, personal opinion, or a satisfaction survey from a particular merchant. The surveys are short enough that you can take them while waiting in line for a cup of coffee or while sitting on the john. You can earn extra money by sharing your TV and internet usage with Google Opinion Rewards. Just continue browsing online and watching TV like you normally do. You get paid through Google Play or PayPal credits, not typically cash, unfortunately. So that's another thing to keep in mind. Making money the easy way typically is not paid out in cash. Sorry for that. Next up, we have IPoll. If you like the idea of being paid to take surveys, the IPoll app is another top choice to consider. Similar to Google Opinion Rewards, all you have to do is answer brief questions about products and services that you're already using. You can earn gift cards for PayPal, the Apple Store, and Amazon for your participation. Again, not necessarily cash, but gift cards for places that you probably already frequent, such as PayPal and the Apple Store. SwagBucks. Have you ever wanted to get paid for just browsing the web? Well, SwagBucks has you covered. SwagBucks offers reward points for shopping online, browsing the web, answering surveys, and watching entertaining videos. All of this can be facilitated through the mobile app. You can redeem SwagBuck points for gift cards or get cash back to your PayPal account. SwagBucks gives away more than 7,000 gift cards every day. They pay out more than $410 million in rewards since the company was founded back in 2008. Seems like such a long time ago. You can earn 1,000 SB points, SwagBuck points I'm assuming, for $10 in value if you sign up and make a qualifying purchase at a store featured in the SwagBucks shop. SwagBucks shop. Say that 10 times fast. Next up, we have SweatCoin. Want to get paid for walking around? SweatCoin is the perfect money-making app for you. All you need to do is keep SweatCoin running on the background of your phone at all times. The app will automatically track your steps. Every 1,000 steps rewards you with 0.95 SweatCoins. SweatCoins are not the sweaty quarters in your pocket that you left in there while you're working out. No, SweatCoins are a type of cryptocurrency. And unfortunately, they're the type of cryptocurrency that can't be withdrawn as cash. However, you can redeem them for goods and services. Some featured examples include athletic wear, audiobooks, headphones, and meditation apps, all valuable. More than 300 brands have partnered with SweatCoin. Most of these goods and services are related to promoting a healthy lifestyle. So if you're into working out or other things like that, and you want to make money online, and you want free athletic gear, SweatCoin is the thing for you. Next up, we have SlideJoy. Sometimes the names of these apps I find very hilarious. And SlideJoy, I'm not sure who came up with that name. Whoever's in our marketing department deserves the name of the year for goofy sounding names. It's not a real reward, but it should be. But SlideJoy, as I'm sure you're aware, we're consistently exposed to digital advertisements on a daily basis. You probably had to wade through a couple of them just to watch this video. Wouldn't it be great if you could get paid for seeing ads? SlideJoy makes that possible. The app adds advertisements to your phone's lock screen. So every time you check your phone, you'll see a new ad and a new promotion. Slide left to learn more information about the ad, slide up to view another one, or slide right to access your home screen. SlideJoy is only available for Android users. So if you're an iPhone user, you're out of luck. In any case, you can cash out rewards via PayPal or donate your earnings to one of SlideJoy's charity programs. Next up, we have Mobee. It rewards you for completing missions at various stores. Here's how it works. It's actually pretty simple. Just download the app and browse for a mission in your area. It could be anything from Macy's to Domino's. Each mission has a set of tasks for you to complete. You'll be rewarded for things like answering survey questions and taking photographs inside the store. Mobee lets you redeem those points for gift cards, including gift cards to Amazon. It takes up to 48 hours to redeem those rewards, so, be patient. Next on the list, we have TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is an app that requires a little bit of elbow grease if you're willing to make a little bit of money with it. But like we talked about earlier, the extra effort usually results in higher pay. With the app, you can provide a wide range of services to people in your area. Common tasks include moving furniture, mounting a TV, things like household cleaning, and IKEA furniture assembly. If you've ever tried to assemble IKEA furniture, then you have an idea just how difficult and confusing it can be. See that cabinet back there? IKEA cabinet. Yeah, it's more difficult than I assumed, but just create a profile on TaskRabbit to highlight your featured skills. You get to set your own rates for particular jobs. The more tasks you complete, the better a chance you have of getting selected for a task in the future. People seeking services will review your profile before accepting you to do a job. If you've got the time to do some physical labor like on the weekends or after work, download the TaskRabbit app to make a little bit extra money, sort of online, but a little bit in the real world too. Uber and Lyft. Now we all know about Uber. More than likely you've used it to hail a ride, but you can use that same app to get paid for driving people around. Make your own hours and use your own car. Just turn on the Uber app when you want to start working. Depending on your area, Uber generally has guaranteed earnings promotions for new drivers. You can also be rewarded with bonuses for working certain hours and get tipped by customers as well. Pro tip, if you want to make money with Uber but don't want weirdos in your car, consider becoming a food delivery driver for Uber Eats. Lyft, like Uber, is another popular ride-sharing app. And in most instances, the pay and job descriptions is pretty comparable to Uber. I know a lot of people who sign up for both and regularly switch between the two to get rides that offer more cash depending on the circumstance. And depending on your city, you might learn that Lyft is more popular for riders in that area. And if you don't have a car, Lyft can help you get one through one of their express driver partners. The car payment comes with insurance, unlimited miles, and maintenance, all included. Use Lyft or Uber as a side hustle to earn extra cash on nights or weekends. You can also drive full-time. The choice is yours, but my take on both Uber and Lyft and other ride-sharing apps is that they're best used as side hustles to supplement your income, not full-time income. Oftentimes, I find that the wear and tear on a person's car, from Uber and Lyft drivers that I talk to, as well as some of the algorithms for getting you riders, may not necessarily result in you getting a ton of cash for every ride that you hail. But it is good if you already have a car and you have extra time to spend on the weekends as a side hustle. So use Uber and Lyft as a side hustle and not as a full-time gig. That's my advice to you. But next up, if you want to make money online, the easy way, Mercari. Mercari is a marketplace app for selling goods that you are no longer using. You can start listing items within minutes of downloading the app. Just upload a picture, add a description, and set your own prices. Voila, you have a product listed on Mercari. Mercari provides you with printable shipping labels via email. Popular products sold on Mercari include headphones, tablets, speakers, handbags, and clothing. There is no fee for using Mercari, unlike Amazon. The app takes a 10% commission on all completed sales. Just remember to keep that in mind when you're setting your prices. Now, none of those apps or sites are going to make you rich. But you know what will? Clicking on one of the videos you see on the screen. Okay, I lied. That won't make you rich either. But watching them will enable you to have the right tactics to navigate your finances with ease. So be sure to like this video if you liked this video. Subscribe to the channel as we have more great content coming out just like this. And for sure, click that notification bell. Twice, I believe. But that's it for me, folks. I hope you really enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun making it. And I'm about to get out of here, so take it easy. I'll catch you next time. Peace.